Friends, you are most welcome to my YouTube channel for Fluent English. Today, lesson 12 will be discussed here. This is lesson 12, the sounds of English. As we discussed in my previous chapter about the lesson, about the sounds of English, the purpose of this lesson is very simple: to help you, the reader, to pronounce English better than you do now. Written English and spoken English are obviously very different. Writing consists of mark on paper which makes no noise and are taken in by the eye. Whilst speaking is organized sounds taken in by the ear. In the English alphabet there are 26 letters, but these letters produce 44 sounds. For this reason, one letter is used to produce more than one sound. In order to know the correct pronunciation, certain symbols denoting these sounds have been devised and standardized. By learning these symbols, you will find the correct pronunciation of any word in a standard dictionary. These symbols will help you to go through the book with guidance for correct pronunciation of words and conversations. These sounds are classified into two types: sounds of English, 44 sounds. One is the vowel sound, other one is the consonant sound. Vowel sounds, there are 20 vowel sounds and 24 consonant sound. These vowel sounds are divided in two categories. One is the monophthong, other one is the diphthong. There are monophthong are 12 in number and diphthongs are 8 in numbers. On the other hand, consonant sounds are 24 in numbers. Consonant sounds are 24 in numbers. Vowel sounds, जैसे you watch A, E, I, O, U is the example of vowel, but this 26 alphabet has 44 sounds. Vowel of the monophthong. What is monophthong? Monophthong means these sounds are called pure vowel, or these can produce only one sound. Diphthong. These sounds are the combination of two vowels. These are the symbol of these are the phonetic symbol. This is the symbol of a, this is a, this is e, and this is u. This symbol is a, this is u, and I. Now this please watch monophthongs. This is the symbol of a, but, cut, shut, for example. This is phonetic symbol and this is the English meaning, English pronunciation. This is the symbol of a. For example, about, alike. This is the symbol of a. This is the largest a, perfect, bird. And this is the symbol of a, car, large, march. This is symbol of E, bit, igloo. This is the symbol of E, sheep, she. This is the symbol of U, put, truth. This is the symbol of U, uniform, unity, cube. And this is the symbol of A, egg, net, bit. And that is the symbol of A, bat, cat, rat, sat. And that is the symbol of O, caught, taught. And that is the symbol of O, hot, pot. Example, these first two 12s are monophthong. These all the sounds are single sounds. And here from 13, There are double sounds here. All the double sounds are called diphthongs. A plus E is equal to A. Tray, pray, I, kite, bite, night. O and E, boy, toy. O, home, bone, nose. Ow, how, now. Ear, fear, air. Chair, pear. Poor. After discussing vowel sounds, let's discuss with a consonant sound. The consonant sounds are produced by the help of vowels. These are 24. There are 24 consonant sounds in English. Consonant sounds in English. First, K. This is the symbol of K. Kite, kit. Symbol of G. Get, go. K is not available here. G. And that is the N sound. That is the Anga sound. Going, ring, sing. That is Cha. That is the symbol of Cha. T, N, L like F. That is Cha. Chop, chick. That is Z sound. Jimza, Urdu. While reading Urdu, you should to read such a sound, such a word. Z, zuz, zam. And that is Z. Zip, zoo. That is the Z. That is us. That is us sound. Pleasure, pleasure. There are three types of the J sounds. T, time, ten. D, door, dogs.